At Lamda Components, our goal is not just to output the most precisely machined castings by gathering a qualified work staff, setting up sophisticated machinery, and refining it with advanced in-house testing and research, but to also instill a sense of reverence for our tools and machines, the same tools and machines that enable us to turn imagination into reality. Ayudha Pooja, or Mahanavami, is a significant part of the 9-day-long Navaratri festival celebrated across India. The day encourages us to venerate our workplace and whatever tools we utilize in our respective fields. The belief is that this reverence for objects that we work with brings us in harmony with it, resulting in an increased yield. At Lamda, every Ayudha Puja is a festive occasion that everybody looks forward to. It is a day for us to take a step back from our regular schedules and come together as a community to celebrate our workspace and all aspects of it. We blur all dividing lines and come together as a family to celebrate this auspicious event. Employees are recognized and rewarded for their perseverance and enthusiasm in their performance throughout the year. We believe this act of nurturing our workspace sets a positive tone for the rest of the year for our team to be more enthusiastic, involved and impassioned, because for us at Lamda, work is worship.